do a nature program from now. Okay, people. We are now in some kind of path, which seems to look like.
Have a look then.
With loads of.
Have a look at the camera.
Of trees. So, and if you look behind us, you can see there is an allotment.
An allotment.
And just a minute ago, there was a man we saw in the allotment, which I can see now. So, people, on today's program, we are going to be looking at this tree. So if I might got half of it off. So as you come zooming closer to the tree, please, ma'am, you can see that there is very little detail here. See the veins of the tree. So the animal is a living creature as well.
What kind of tree is it?
The
Hello?
tree is...
Talk to the camera. Into the lens.
The kind of tree is...
Into the lens, not me.
The tree is... What is it then? I'm guessing the tree is a... maybe an orchard. I'm just guessing here. Are you online?